Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain 7th class, 3rd chapter, Simple Equations, 3.4 exercise, 11th problem. A sum of 500 rupees is in the form of notes of denominations of 5 rupees and 10 rupees. If the total number of notes is 90, then find the number of notes of each type. So in the problem given, the total amount is 500 rupees. So in 500 rupees, some notes are 5 rupees and some notes are 10 rupees. The total number of notes are given 90. So first consider the number of 5 rupee notes will be x. So let the number of 5 rupee notes equal to x. In the problem, the total number of notes is 90. Total number of notes equal to 90. The number of 10 rupee notes are the number of 10 rupee notes, that is equal to, so total number of notes minus 5 rupee notes, so 90 minus x. The total amount is given 500 rupees. So total amount, that is equal to 500 rupees. A total amount is divided into 5 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes. So find the sum of 10 rupee notes. Sum of 5 rupee notes. Sum of 5 rupee notes, that is equal to 5 into the number of notes are x, so 5x. So next, the sum of 10 rupee notes. Sum of 10 rupee notes, that is equal to 10 into the number of 10 rupee notes are 90 minus x, so 90 minus x. Simplify this. 10 into 90 becomes 900 minus 10 into x becomes 10x. Total amount, that is equal to 500 rupees. The total amount is sum of 5 rupee notes and sum of 10 rupee notes. So sum of 5 rupee notes equal to 5x. 5x plus sum of 10 rupee notes equal to 900 minus 10x. 900 minus 10x, that is equal to 500. 5x minus 10x becomes minus 5x plus 900, that is equal to 500. 900 it is moving to right side, minus 900, so 5x it is equal to 500 minus 900, minus 5x it is equal to 500 minus 900, it is equal to minus 400. So find the x value. So x equal to minus 400 divided by minus 5, minus minus cancel, 5 1 ja 5 8 ja 40, 0. So x equal to 80. So x represents the number of 5 rupee notes. So the number of 5 rupee notes equal to 80. The number of 10 rupee notes are equal to the number of 10 rupee notes. The number of 10 rupee notes, that is equal to 90 minus x. So 90 minus x value is 80. So 90 minus 80 becomes 10. So the number of 10 rupee notes are 10. This is solution for 11th problem. Next problem, 12th one. John and Ismail donated some money to the relief fund. The amount paid by Ismail is 85 rupees more than twice that of John. If the total money paid by them is 4000 rupees, then find the amount of money donated by John. So in the problem, John and Ismail both are donated some money to a relief fund. The total amount paid by them is 4,000 rupees. So first consider John donated money, that is equal to X. So let John donated money, that is equal to X. Next, Ismail donated money. Ismail donated money, that is equal to Ismail donated money, that is equal to. So in the problem given, the Ismail is donated 85 rupees more than twice that of John. So John amount is X. So twice the John means 2X. So 2X. So 85 rupees more. So plus 85. So Ismail donated money, that is equal to 2X plus 85. So in the problem given, total amount paid is 4,000 rupees. So total amount paid, that is equal to 4,000 rupees. So total amount is the John and both Ismail are donated. So John donated money is X plus Ismail donated money is 2X plus 85. So that is equal to total amount 4,000 rupees. X and 2X are variables. So add two variables, 3X plus 85. That is equal to 4,000. So in this simple equation, find X value. So remove remaining all terms. First remove 85. So 3X, that is equal to 85, it is moving to right side, minus 85. So 4,000 minus 85. So 3X, that is equal to 4,000 minus 85, it becomes 3,915. Find X value. So X, it is equal to 3,915 divided by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 into 0 0, 3 5 ja 15. So X equal to 1,305 rupees. So X represents John donated money. So John donated money, that is equal to 1,305 rupees. So this is solution for 12th problem. Next problem, 13th. Length of rectangle is 4 meters less than 3 times of its breadth. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 32 meters, then find its length and breadth. So in the problem asking find length and breadth. So length is comparison with the breadth. So first consider breadth. So let the breadth of the rectangle, that is equal to X. So now the length of the rectangle, that is equal to, so in the problem length of the rectangle is given 4 meters less than 3 times of its breadth. 4 meters less than 3 times its breadth. So that is equal to 3 times of breadth, nothing but 3x. So 3x, 4 meters less, that is equal to minus 4. So length equal to 3x minus 4. So perimeter of a rectangle is given 32 meters. So write that perimeter of a rectangle, that is equal to 32 meters. So we know that the perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 in L plus B, that is equal to 32 meters. Here L nothing but length, B nothing but breadth. So substitute the values of length and breadth. 2 into, so L value equal to 3x minus 4 plus breadth value is x, that is equal to 32 meters. So in this simple equation find x value. First remove 2, by dividing both sides by 2. So divide both sides by 2. 2 into 3x minus 4 plus x, it is equal to 32. So both sides divide by 2. So by 2 and by 2. Numerator to denominator to cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja. 3x plus x becomes 4x minus 4. It is equal to 16. Now remove minus 4. It is moving to right side plus 4. So 4x, it is equal to 16 plus 4. That is equal to 20. Find x value. So x equal to 20 divided by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja. So x equal to 5. So x nothing but the breadth of a rectangle. So breadth of a rectangle that is equal to 5 meters. Length of rectangle that is equal to 3x minus 4. X value is 5 meters. So 3 into 5 minus 4. 3 into 5 becomes 15 minus 4. It is equal to 11 meters. So length equal to 11 meters, breadth equal to 5 meters. So this is solution for 13th problem. Next problem, 14th. A bag contains some number of white balls. Twice the number of white balls are blue balls. Thrice the number of blue balls are the red balls. If the total number of balls in the bag are 27, then calculate the number of balls of each type color present in bag. So in the problem given, a bag contains a total number of balls are 27. So in 27 balls, 3 colors are there, a white, blue and red. So first consider the white balls. So let the white balls are equal to x. So next, the number of blue balls. The number of blue balls, that is equal to. So in the problem given, twice the number of white balls are blue ball. So blue balls, that is equal to twice the number of white balls. The number of blue balls, that is equal to twice the number of white balls. So that is equal to, twice means 2x. So 2 into x. So next to find the number of red balls. The number of red balls. The number of red balls is given thrice the number of blue balls. Thrice the number of blue balls. Thrice means 3 times. So that is 3 into the number of blue balls are equal to 2x. 3 into 2x, that is equal to 3 into 2x multiply, that becomes 6x. So red balls are 6x. So in the problem given, the total number of balls are equal to 27. So total number of balls. Total number of balls given 27. So total number of balls are white, blue and red balls. So white balls are x plus blue balls are 2x plus red balls are 6x, that is equal to 27. So add all variables. X plus 2x becomes 3, 3 and 6 becomes 9. So finally 9x, it is equal to 27. Find the x value. So x, it is equal to 27 by 9. 9 1 ja, 9 3 ja, 27. So x equal to 3. So x represents the number of white balls. So the number of white balls. So the white balls are equal to 3. Next, the number of blue balls. The number of blue balls, that is equal to 2x. The x value is 3, so 2 into 3 becomes 6. So the number of blue balls are 6. Next, the red balls. The red balls are equal to 6x. So x value is 3. 6 into 3 multiply 18. So the number of red balls are equal to 18. So this is solution for 14th problem. Next problem, 15th. The two scales below are perfectly balanced if consider this shape is cylindrical, a cylindrical that is equal to 36, then what are the values of? So consider this shape is rectangle and this shape is square shape. So we have to find the rectangle and square shape. So this is a simple balanced. So in the left side of balanced, two rectangles are there. In right side of balanced, three cylindrical shapes are there. So both are equal. So the two rectangles are equal to three cylindrical shapes. The two rectangles are equal to 2 into rectangle. So this is equal to, so in the problem given, each cylindrical shape is 36. So substitute here 36 plus 36 plus 36. So two rectangles, 36 plus 36 plus 36, that is equal to 108. Find out each rectangle. So rectangle, that is equal to, so 108 divided by 2. So cancel with 2 tables. So 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. So one rectangle shape, that is equal to 54. So this is solution for 15th problem, first one. Problem 15th Roman, second one. So first observe the balance. So in this balance, left side two square shapes and one rectangle is there. So in the right side, four cylindrical shapes are there. So in this diagram, we need to find the square shape value. First write two squares and one rectangle. That is equal to four cylindrical shapes. So two square shapes, that is 2 into square plus one rectangle, that is equal to, so already we know the cylindrical shape value is 36. So substitute here 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36. Now simplify this. 36 plus 36 becomes 72. 72 plus 36 becomes 108. 108 plus 36, that is equal to 144. So two square shapes and one rectangle. So already we are find the rectangle value is equal to 54. Substitute here 2 into square shape plus rectangle value equal to 54, that is equal to 144. So 54, it is moving to right side, minus 54. So that is equal to 144 minus 54. So that is 2 into square shape. Simplify this. 144 minus 54, it becomes 90. 2 into square. Find out the square shape value. So square shape, that is equal to 90 by 2. 2 1 ja, 245 ja. So that is equal to 45. So rectangle equal to 54, square shape equal to 45. So this is solution for 15th problem. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.